ship owners, private ship owners, think about the decisions very fast and they can adapt to this new challenge. Every time we have this COVID and then we have our flags adapting to new countries like Panama has been accepted by the Dutch flag, but there is a double tax treaty, so then should the Cyprus, Madeira and Malta adapt to Panama, Venezuela officers? But how can we really adapt today to these new prices of petrol and then also the war? Well, we have huge solutions. There is 50 million citizens in Spain, out of which 10 of those have not been born in Spain. Now, are them seafarers? Of course not. Why? Because our leaders, leaders, you see these people that get paid with the tax, those, then they don't know how to count whether we have intrinsic value or long-term perpetual jobs for the investment in the maritime and strategic sector. But you, ship owner, if you're private, you can make this decision fast and adapt. How? We can invest in a Spanish crew and European crew. Why? Because many have really been left with the situation of should I go to Asia or should I stay home? Then some ship owners with Italian flag, Spanish flag are benefiting from this. We can really negotiate the Spanish flag, very interesting for container Mediterranean fleet. They have really amended the working permits because as well as we have 10 million not born in Spain now living, while we have a huge possibility of issuing working permits for ratings. If we talk about officers, no, this is a logarithm. This is really complicated because we are involving here many other different areas like the merchant marine, and then also we have the employment area, and then we have the exams and the documents and sanitary assistance, and well, many different areas. It's very, very complicated. It must be really a Spanish crew or juniors from accepted countries for the Spanish flag. But if we talk about then Cyprus flag, for example, has huge competitive advantage because it does endorse Morocco and Algeria. As well as we have 50 million living in Spain, of which 10 are new, but our leaders, those that get paid by the tax, they don't really know how to count how many are the seafarers. Imagine if it was 10 million seafarers. But then Morocco and Algeria, they have this possibility because 80% is young population, and the Moroccan and Algeria administrations are really looking forward to growing this strategic sector, and they are going to invest for the maritime schools. So we have a possibility of about 1,000 seafarers. We know how many we have at those countries. So if you have a fleet of about 50 container ships, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, then we can manage with the Cyprus flag and then have this investment in the local, because if the petrol prices go up, then the flights go up, and therefore it is a huge opportunity to invest in local talent. Thank you, bye.